Good morning mga Katimbol Vlogs! Welcome sa isang ating video bus vlog. Today is Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day sa inyong lahat. So it's 6 o'clock, 6:01 in the morning, May 12, 2024 Sunday. So come on, let's umpisa na natin ng ating video bus vlog. Gagamitin nating bus ngayon ay si bus number 5722 with registration plate more NQY 780, which will expire on August 9, 2024. So okay, come on, let's go. Tignan natin, check natin kung may mga bago bang bata. Tama itong mga bus na to. So far, yung mga to, yung mga old damage, mga old damage yan. And just as a all good. Thank you. And blessing. All good. So, fenders are all intact. But these are all damaged. Rims, adjusters are all good. Yeah, good. So this one has a milk brand sticker. So okay, all good. All good. So good. Good. Adjusters are all good. Fenders are nice. All good. All good. So here we go, folks. Yeah. Medyo mga ay konti-konting mga hindi na nalinisan ng nawalisan ng maigi yung bus. So that's all for our video bus vlog for today. Paalam! Until next video bus vlog. Paalam!